All right, bud. So what do you want to do today?
And fire.
You got fire pups now?
Yeah.
What is this? Paw Patrol.
Fire, water.
Fire rescue.
Let me count. Marshall, Chase.
You got how many?
1, 2.
One,
two.
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 Good.
Let me count the card. 1, 2.
All right. Let's get this open so we can play with it, huh? You want to play?
I need to see the back.
You want to take a look at the back? Oh, that's cool. All right, let's get it open so you can play with it. All right, so this is the firehouse. What does it do?
I'm going to show you one thing. Look at it.
Yeah, show me one thing. Oh, whoa. So they can come out the tube. And then, do these doors open?
Yeah. No, not yet.
There's not a mission yet, so they don't need to go out?
They're just up here working up. Chase is coming out right here.
Oh, whoa. Oh, look at that. There's a helipad.
And need a helicopter fight track.
Oh, okay, so Sky can fly in.
Yeah. Look at him.
Look at the tower up top. Does it make noise? Whoa. Uh-oh. Does that mean there's a fire somewhere?
I need to put the fire up. Open the door.
Oh no. Is Kitty on fire?
Yeah. I need to open this.
Oh, whoa. That's a little squirt gun, fire gun.
I need the back, Daddy. It needs to go in the firehouse.
That is cool. So it has its own little self-contained water hoses.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, what's this? What's Marshall doing?
Hanging like this.
Whoa, going down the fire pole.
Oh, he just hit Chase's car.
He hit Chase's fire car.
Oh, close this door. Yeah.
And what does that do?
Let me see. Oh. This is stuck.
Whoa. Launches Marshall out. Oh no, what does it need?
Water cannon.
Marshall needs his water cannon. And now he's ready to go fight a fire. Does he need water?
Oh, that's some water here.
There we go. Does he need Chase to help?
You need to let them go down these poles. This thing.
Oh, okay.
Chase goes first. Chase goes first.
Whoa.
We need fire. Chase on this.
Whoa. Where's the fire at?
Over there.
Over there.
I need Marshall.
Oh no, is the Paw Patrol tower on fire?
Uh-huh.
You gotta go save it?
No, these are the fire poles.
Now who's next? Oh, Marshall's coming out. He got all equipped. Now he's coming out of the firehouse. Okay, let's go fight a fire.
Oh, there's a fire right here.
Oh, there's fire. Good job. Marshall put that one right out. Oh no, there's some up top. Some in the tower. Does this go up? Whoa. Oh, almost. Good job. Some good firefighting. Oh no.
There's one on the top.
There's one on the top.
Oh.
Everest's car is on fire too.
I know.
Little snowmobile. I think Chase is gonna come over and try to help.
No, I do it.
Yep. Go ahead and get that fire.
Ooh.
Good job.
Time to go back to the fire station.
Is the fire all out? All the pups are safe? It looks like it. Looks like all the fire is tipped over. It's all put down. All right.
I don't see more fire.
No more fire? Okay, good.
Time to go.
Back to the fire station. Yeah, firefighters need to clean up all the fire. That's good. All right.
No.
Ready?
I need to put the. Oh, I need to go open the door.
Open the doors.
Oink, oink, oink. He wants the fires. Open the doors for Chase. Ding, ding. All the fires going up here.
Oh, it's going to be contained up there.
Shoot the water out. He just shut the hell out here. There's someone shut out here. He almost shut the door.
Almost shut the
See. See it shut the door. See it shut the door.
Whoa. Good job.
Yeah.
Should we see if Sky's helicopter can land here?
Oh, that's for the fire. Where's Sky? Sky's hiding.
Sky hiding?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I told you.
Whoa, cool. It lands there. How far do those shoot? Whoa. Is this pretty cool?
Mm-hmm.
Paw Patrol Fire Station. What else does it do?
No, Chris, that's going to make it go fire.
Oh, it's going to make the fire go on?
What's this? That opens.
So if you, whoa, so it locks up. Whoa.
Chase is run down the high.
Chase went down the fire pole.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Chase it needs to go right up here. I hear this is my stop.
It's on this side.
On this side?
Is that where all the controls are?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. This is
Yeah.
pretty cool. So this launches it out.
Dad, no, look at the fire station. Not look inside.
Ashley, did you know that fire stations you can go look at any time?
Mm-hmm.
You can go tour them and say hi to the firefighters.
I know.
That is really cool, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to get this out.
You've gone to a couple, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's your favorite places, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. Chase down.
And getting the firehouse ready for another close-up fire.
There's fire in my car! Wow!
Oh no, not the helicopter. The helicopter's on fire.
Oh, the fire.
Sky safely ejected. That's very good.
I need to get all the fire her class.
Oh yeah?
Fire!
Oh no, fire.
Okay, we need the fire trucks. The fire truck, guys. Marshall. Whoa, whoa. The fire trucks. East. Go. Ooh, woo, woo, woo.
Actually, what does a fire truck siren sound like?
Wee, wee. Oh, I need to close the door and any animals go in.
Oh, so no animals will go in there?
Oh, wee. Fire!
Put the fire out.
One fire down.
Did Marshall or Chase check on Sky to make sure she was okay?
No.
Not yet. Needs an ambulance.
Funny team. You see a slow motion.
That was slow motion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to get this whole thing down. This thing out.
Why do you need to take it off?
Oh, I know. You remember that soap thing? And shoot arrows.
Oh, that's like a solid stream of water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, all the water's fire's out.
Fire's all out. Sky's rescued.
Yep.
Everyone's safe.
Her's going back to the Paw Patrol area.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Sky's going back to her apartment.
Oh, she has an apartment? That's pretty cool.
Okay. Got my thing, water. Anyone steals it.
Yeah.
Let me grab this.
Pick up all their water and go back to the firehouse.
Let's just the door open.
Smash the door open.
Car. I do that. This goes right up here. The fire truck guys are going to check. It had. Who did this? Who did this?
Oh yeah, they're gonna check in to see who did this.
Mhm.
They're gonna have an investigation into the fire.
Mhm.
All right.
This is their office.
Oh, they're in the office now. Thank you everyone for watching. Subscribe.
Five.
Hope to see you next time.
Five.
We'll see what other Paw Patrol toys are out there.
Okay.
This one's really cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We're excited. We like Paw Patrol.
Okay.
All right. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.
See the world through Ashton's eyes.